This time I'll go first. After all, I can't count on you to wait.
Sure about this?
See for yourself. Maybe I'll go on ahead and leave you all by your lonesome. Just,
Maybe you shouldn't talk.
Then you talk. Tell me a story.
Not for free.
Cheapskate. You're...
Oh.
Gotcha.
You're killing me here.
Here goes nothing. Woo!
You good?
Of course. My hero.
Never a dull moment with you.
That a compliment?
Not really.
Thanks anyway. We're getting closer to the station. Even so, we'll probably run into a few monsters on the way. Huh. There's a face.
I fought scarier things in my sleep.
Somewhere looks like they're
Piece of cake. Allow me. Let's finish this.
So, Cloud, you don't know the slums that well, do you?
Compared to you? Training grounds, barracks, battlefields. That's the world I know.
You sound proud of that. Stations there.
I can see that.
Oh? Thought the world you knew didn't include stations.
Ha ha.
We poured so much of our blood and sweat into building that reactor. Now,
I can't believe this is happening.
If you would all just please calm down.
hey, what the hell's going on?
Come on. There's no need to shout.
Popular place.
Yeah, well, it's got a good view of the reactor.
It's on fire!
Ain't a show.
They know that. They're worried.
Oh, didn't expect to see you here.
Huh? Oh, Cloud, wait!
Look at all this.
Huh?
Wait.
Deck is all clear!
Rope's good! Go!
Pull him up! Let's go!
Another Turk.
A real man on a mission.
On the hunt, more like.
For me? For you?
Don't know. Don't care.
Then, let's stick to the back streets? Ah. There will be monsters.
Better than Shinra.
All the fatty flavor and calories you need to get you through the day.
People say it's like an explosion of flavor.
There's a Shinra dump site up ahead. Not the kind of place anyone would ever choose to hang around in.
What a great place to lay up. They've got the run of it.
No telling where they'll come from.
Monsters instinctively target weaker prey.
You better watch out then, Cloud. That way is a dead end. They were doing some construction, but quit halfway. Over here. That didn't work. Maybe it's broken? Pretty sure this path we're on loops around too, so... Wonder if we can move this. Ah, I knew it!
Brace yourself.
Must have been a new breed.
How do you figure?
Because they went for the stronger prey. Check it out, the heart of the slums.
Still a fair ways off.
Well, we did take a detour. Getting tired?
Nah.
Me, I'm feeling a bit hungry. How about you?
Amazed.
You're in for a treat when we make it back.
Don't have time for that.
You'll want to make time for my mom's cooking. And that's the final word on it. We'll get home quick and eat ourselves stupid.
Easy.
I'm coming! One more!
Nothing to it.
It's awake!
No way they kept sleeping. Let's do this.
This one's for you! And we're safe. That door that was stuck. Maybe it opens from this side? Don't think it'll open. What to do? That gate just doesn't want to open, does it? Maybe there's a way to get over it? For you, at least. No good? That sucks. Ah, try moving that container to make a path. Yeah, that should do the trick. Thanks, Cloud. I knew you'd find a way. Guess we're home free.
No need for thanks. I'd rather get paid.
Hmm? You're getting paid right now.
Hmm?
Huh?
Oh.
Should be able to relax a little now.
Don't forget about the Turks.
Ah,
Could come at us any time. Keep an eye out.
somewhere else you'd rather be?
This place takes getting used
So, do you think this means another war is coming?
What are they watching?
Hey!
What could they
I'm standing
possibly
inside
be
the
trying to
gutted shell of
accomplish?
Mako Reactor 5. As you can see, there's still a lot of smoke rising from the rubble.
Working for Wutai, isn't it
While
obvious?
fallen beams and other debris
Cowards.
continue to
Using
hinder
spies
rescue
so
efforts,
they don't have
the
to
fires
break the
appear to have been
ceasefire.
mostly
I'm
extinguished.
telling you, those foreign
Oh,
devils are
over
trying
there.
to start another war.
That's the director of
we help
Shinra's
catch the
Advanced Weaponry
bombers.
Division,
We get
isn't
a
it?
reward or something?
Excuse me, ma'am,
Never
but would you
again.
mind answering a few questions?
Hey, enough of that doom and gloom.
But we're
Can you
safe
give us
down
any
here,
updates on the
right?
status of the reactor?
They're targeting
What kind of
reactors.
damage did it
no
suffer in the
reason for them to
explosion?
attack
Are we in any
slums.
danger?
So, when are the trains gonna
Mako
start up
Reactor
again?
5 has been temporarily shut down, and all fires have been successfully extinguished. The situation is under control, and the people of our fair city need not worry about any additional complications. We're in the process of conducting a full forensic investigation, but we suspect the device used was similar to that employed in the attack on Mako Reactor 1. The perpetrators of that atrocity were filmed making their escape. These agents of the eco-terrorist group AVALANCHE are currently believed to be in hiding somewhere in Midgar.
And given that this group has now attacked 2 reactors in quick succession, can they really be stopped before they strike again?
What do you think? Have no fear. Shinra will keep Midgar safe.
Okay, time's up!
All right, let's go.
Why the hell would anyone do that?
Man, I can't decide where to go.
Oh, what timing! Mind lending me a hand?
Place is really hopping, huh?
Nice side effect of the train situation.
My tour
So,
of the Shinra building.
what do you say?
I'd love to, but... I help out every now and then. It's fun.
Aerith!
Well, well. What are you doing all the way up there?
Was trying to get a look at the reactor. Who's this guy?
This is Cloud. He's a mercenary. And currently my bodyguard. That's Oates.
See you.
2 peas in a pod. So, what are you guys up to?
We all went to see the reactor.
Oh, that's right. You're supposed to come by the house.
What for?
I don't know. You're just supposed to.
Well, guess we have a new destination. I should probably explain. The Leaf House is the local orphanage. That's where all these kids live.
Hey, Aerith, where'd you go?
The church again? Next time, we should all go together.
Why, hello, Aerith. As popular as ever, I see.
Apparently, but they sure keep me on my toes.
Better than being bedridden. Thanks again for all those herbs. You've helped a lot of people.
No problem. Anytime.
How'd you manage to find so many anyway?
Oh, I have my ways.
And him?
He's my bodyguard, just until I get home.
And you're sure he's up to it?
Maybe. Since I'm so generous, I gather medicinal herbs for his patients sometimes. Here's the Leaf House.
I'm studying so I can read a ton of books.
There you are.
We're back, and we brought Aerith with us.
Sorry to make you come out here.
Don't be. It's on my way home.
Well then, I hope you won't mind me asking for some flowers.
No problem. How many?
All you can carry. What with all the doom and gloom we've been hearing on the news recently, I thought some flowers might help cheer everyone up.
I'm sure they will, and I'd love to help.
Let's all wash up before our meal.
Someone told me that talking to them would help them grow bigger.
So, Cloud, what's your favorite flower?
They're all the same to me.
Huh. You sure you want to say that to a florist?
Better than lying.
Okay. Then what'd you do with the flower I gave you?
You
give it away?
I did.
Ooh, to who? Tell me.
Don't recall. What?
Thought you didn't like lying. Well, anyway. My house is just up this path. Mom should be home by now, so I'll introduce you. There you go. That's my house.
It's amazing.
Come on. I'm home.
Hey, baby. Been up to no good? Rude came by.
So, this is my mom, Elmira. And this is Cloud, my bodyguard.
Hi.
Take good care of her?
That's my job. Or was my job.
Yep. Thanks. So, Cloud, you gonna head back to Sector 7?
Yeah.
Then I'll show you the way.
Then why'd you have me bring you here? What if the Turks show up again?
It'd suck, but I've dealt with them before. Honestly, I'm much more worried about you. What if you get lost, huh? You'd be too embarrassed to admit it, and so you'd just keep on going.
Quit acting like you know me.
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna go take Cloud over to Sector 7, okay?
Okay. But why not wait until tomorrow? If you head out now, it'll be dark when you get back. Better to rest up here and make the trip first thing in the morning, when you'll have daylight to spare.
That's true. She's got a point, Cloud.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah. I still need to deliver some flowers to the Leaf House. Since we have a little time before dinner, you should come with.
That wasn't the deal.
You mean you want more? Even though you've got a priceless reward coming your way? Do you know what I promised him?
I'll do it.
I'll go grab the baskets. Be right back.
That Aerith. She's a handful, isn't she? It must be tough. No, never mind. Aerith won't be long. Nervous, are we?
That's weird. It's so still like this in here.
Huh.
Found him! You take this one. Take it. Right. Off we go. And these right here are my babies. Which ones do you think we should pick?
Any of them.
Oh, don't be like that. I know you have an eye for this kind of thing. Good eye. People used to give these to declare their loyalty to one another. Interesting, right? I think we still need a few more. Which should we pick next? That's the one I gave you.
Huh, it is?
Nice try, mister. You can't fool me. She said, as many as you can carry, so maybe a few more? Whoa, foxtails, huh? I gotta hand it to you, I never would have thought of that. It'll definitely take them by surprise. I think we're good now. What do you say? Shall we go? No need to hurry. We're not under the gun or anything.
I'm not cut out for this crap.
Sure you are. And when you're done, you'll be drowning in job offers. So, how do you think they'll arrange these flowers?
Dunno.
Well, we'll soon find out.
I love to study.
I'll wait out here.
Oh, okay. But I might be a while. Why not check out the town?
Eric is such a sweetheart.
Exactly. They're wicked the local.
Furthermore, initial reports confirm that terrorists were coordinating their efforts with Hotan.
Now you can handle yourself.
I'd love to say something, but I don't work here. Talk to that guy. He does. Buddy, customer. Hey, looking for a new weapon?
See you soon.
TV's so
There's also a
boring.
chance of rain.
Cloud, I understand you must be busy, but I hope you haven't forgotten about my research. Cloud, I've come up with the most fascinating theory. Perhaps you can lend me your assistance in gathering data to test it? Cloud, I have the most amazing news! I believe I might know how to develop summoning materia, something heretofore thought impossible. Scientists say that this materia can only be found in nature, but I may just be able to prove otherwise. And so, Cloud, I turn to you. I would like to test this theory by way of my combat simulator. To wit, I want you to fight and defeat summon data in VR. I sense that you find my phrasing to be somewhat obtuse. Please let me know when you have made your preparations. I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it! I've developed a new materia. Then I invite you to ready your portable battle simulator.
Best do it right. Calling fire. Burn. You're mine. No escape. Going in. You're out of luck. Duty calls. Brace yourself. Let's do this. Was never in doubt.
Outstanding! The Shiva summoning materia is complete. And now it's yours. Use it as you see fit. The Lady of Frost is the perfect companion for a man like you, Cloud. She will prove most useful when the time comes to destroy Shinra. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
Man.
So, what'll it be? I knew you had a keen eye.
That's what's called easy money.
We even got to be on TV.
And
ooh, that's
the spice. Get down here right
My mom found out I played an Easter egg.
Aerith is such a sweetheart.
I'm scared of the doggies. Come on!
Still at it. She couldn't have finished yet.
These silly games.
That's what's called easy.
Should I head home?
Hey, did you see the reactor fire?
I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information for my research. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
Nah, can't leave without telling her.
You won't stop telling us stories about that.
Nah, can't leave without telling her.
That's solid.
I remember you.
Where's Aerith?
The Leaf House.
Shinra is considering offering units in its residential properties to qualifying citizens free of charge until they can find.
They crossed the line to bomb the reactor.
Is something wrong?
You could say that. Sounds like someone spooked the kids.
Yeah, 2 of them disappeared. They ran away after this creepy guy wearing black clothes showed up.
A Turk?
That's what I thought, but no.
It's this guy who's always stumbling around town in a dirty robe full of holes. They say he's sick or something. Oh, and he had some kind of number tattooed on his arm.
I don't like the sound of this. I'm gonna check it out.
I know someone who fits that description. I'll come with.
Okay.
Come on.
Isn't this good? I know you can do it! Can I pet him?
A couple of drinks out would hit the spot right about now.
Come on.
I know this place is off limits to grown-ups, but if we want to rescue them, well, we gotta break the rules.
Oats! You're back!
Aerith's come to help.
Yeah, leave it to us. We'll take care of it from here.
But there are monsters out there!
Don't worry. I've brought a super strong friend along with me.
I used to be a soldier. So where's the guy?
I don't know. He disappeared and we can't find him.
Right now, let's worry about the kids.
Come on. They ran off this way. Be careful.
Where do you think they went?
Who knows? They're kids. Nothing to do but look all over.
I just hope we find them in time.
Ain't dead yet. Going in.
Go on!
Nothing to it. Try to stay behind me.
That way I can cover your back.
That's that. That it?
Ah, there they are.
And they're not alone. Get back.
We can fight too, you know.
See ya. It's over. Enough. That's that.
Moving on then.
Try to stay behind me.
That way I can cover your back.
So long.
Quickly, we gotta save them.
All right.
Hold on! Stay back!
Let's do this.
So long.
That's that.
Get him!
It's over.
One more shot!
See ya. You're done. Now you're in.
Get
for
him!
it.
This one's for you!
Enough.
He'll be right there!
Watch out! The ground's really shaky. It's because of the reactor. You can't trust your feet.
I'll go. Come on.
Whoa! Thank you. That was cool.
Okay, let's head back. Run and hide.
So long. Let's finish this. That's that.
That's so cool. How did you get to be so strong?
Well, you see, Cloud here used to be a soldier.
He was? Did you go fight in the war?
I might have. Seriously. See ya.
One more shot! I'm gonna grow
That
up to
wasn't
be
so
a
bad.
soldier like you. You can't just grow up to be a soldier. You gotta work at it. Cloud thinks I'm good enough to be one, right?
Look at you, Mr. Popular.
That was so cool, you guys. Especially that, yeah! Yeah, it was really cool when you went like, yeah, yeah! You've got it all wrong. Like that. No way, it was way faster than that. Yeah, yeah, like that. Fine, then how about, yeah, yeah. Tifa! Tifa!
Tifa.
Tifa? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Is Tifa like your girlfriend?
No,
Bet she's someone special.
it's not like that. More like... I don't know how to explain.
I see.
He doesn't see me. Be quiet.
Thank you.
From now on, if you run into trouble, promise me you'll find an adult, okay?
Okay, I will. And here, since you're so cool, you guys are both grown-ups, but you're also one of us now. You can come and play here whenever you want.
Don't worry, it'll be okay.
Wait! Not him, but looks pretty damn similar.
There's the number, but why two?
Who knows? Come to think.
The reunion. Is nothing to fear.
Cloud, get it together. Come on.
You don't know who Sephiroth is, do you?
Sephiroth, the war hero? I know he died in an accident 5 years ago. They said so on the news.
Maybe they did. But I've got a feeling he's still alive.
Oh, right. Come on, let's go.
Ah, then you must be from the legendary...
Hey, Cloud! I know a lot of people around here need help. When I'm out on patrol, a lot of them tell me about their problems. Do you think you might be interested in helping out?
Well, I'm all for it. We still have plenty of time.
I'm on the clock.
Don't worry, I give you permission.
I always have the latest information. Come find me if you want to know.